Good afternoon everyone, how's everyone doing? Finches of Paul here on YouTube. Just come back from the city to have a look at that robot restaurant or cafe, and I stopped come to have a quick look at Cribs Lodge. It's starting to get knocked down now. One building's gone already. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Finches of Paul. Share, comment and like. Don't forget to hit the notification bell every time I put a video up. So it's only a quick little video. So there was a building here. So where them bricks are, there was like a little building there. So they'll probably be starting on the big building soon then. So that cafe, that cafe restaurant, I think it is. I think maybe a cafe, maybe. I've been told it was going to probably open on the 24th of August, I think. But don't worry about that. I'm only a quick little video of Cribs Lodge. It's starting to be knocked down now, so I'll probably come back occasionally. It'll probably be because I'm back at work now, so I'll try to come up when I can, really. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Finches of Paul. Share, comment and like, and catch you on the next video. So yeah, go to my favourite chicken place now, get something to eat now, and then...
You have been detected in an unauthorised area. Please leave the area or the police will be called. CCTV is recording.
Oh, CCTV is recording, so... that made me jump. So I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.